chase the edge where the wild winds cry, a fleeting truth in a lover's lie. The moon's a thief, stealing the night. It hides the scars we dress in light. A silent vow, a whispered plea, bound to the shore, yet lost at sea. Echoes in the dark calling my name. Shadows play games that never stay the same. Caught between the dawn and dusk, a fragile flame wrapped in dust. A tangled web where the spiders spin. The game we play, no one can win. The mirror cracks, reflections fall. We build a house with no walls. The tide rolls in, it takes, it gives. The paradox where love still lives. Echoes in the dark calling my name. Shadows play games that never stay the same. Caught between the dawn and dusk, a fragile flame wrapped in dust. A stolen glance, a reckless stare. The cost of freedom, who's to care? The hollow tree, it still bears fruit. A twisted truth, a shattered root. We chase the stars, the fleet, the sun. Where shadows whisper, we become. Echoes in the dark calling my name. Shadows play games that never stay the same. Caught between the dawn and dusk, a fragile flame wrapped in dust. The echoes fade but never die. They linger low beneath the sky. Shadows and light, they intertwine. A fleeting glimpse of the divine. A stolen glamp with a spider spin. The game we play, no one can win. The mirror cracks, reflections fall. We build a house with no walls.